So if you have been searching online for a free funded account to start trading the forex market now, then this is your best channel to stick with. And I drop updates onto the channel every single day. Okay, so if there is a day you didn't see updates on this channel, then know that I updated in the Telegram channel because maybe I don't have time to record video on it. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel yet, I put the link under the video description. Go down now and join the Telegram channel so that you don't miss any of the free account updates. Remember, this video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. Nothing is real with the capital provided. It's a stimulated capital. Remember, all funded accounts are stimulated capital. So don't try and said I didn't withdraw the capital given to me. You cannot withdraw it unless you meet the requirements of the probe firm before they can reward you. But the best thing to do is to do your own research before you engage with them. Don't just see this video and jump onto them. That is the only way, because all the proof firms are now not trusted or trustworthy as we see, because they just come and go. Okay, so do your own research before you engage with them. This is the only channel you hear the truth straightforward. This video is not a clickbait video. I only talk the truth. How it is, I'll tell you. Okay, so let me show you this free account that they are giving, and you have to execute your trading skill before you get funded. Okay, so this is Fundix Profem. They are new in the system, and unfortunately for those who are using iOS phones or Apple phones or Apple products, they are not eligible for this because the app is only on Google Play Store. Okay, so the account is free internship. Okay, free internship account. So I'll take you through the steps in order to get it. So you can see it clearly from here that there is transparency here. The internship account is just how to bring out your skill in order for the program to cover your risks. Okay, so 10 million in funded capital are going to be given out. And let's look at the steps. So we have 3 steps to get the account from this. Pass free internship. Okay, that is the internship account that will be given to you. When you pass it, you get funded. Okay, receive your funded account and start trading with our capital. So next, what is the next thing, which is the last step? And the last step is to earn as you trade. So after you pass the internship, you get funded, and you make it when you make profits from the funded account, that is where you get rewarded. Okay, you get reward for your skill. Okay, so what are the conditions? Okay, so we have the capital, which is $100,000, and duration is 4 weeks, that is 1 month, and then attempt is unlimited. When you fail, you can attempt again. Leverage is 1:1. Okay, so performance, the key metrics or the risk management or the profit target is $1,000, and that is, I think, 1% or 10% already. Yeah, good. And weekly profit target is set to be $250. $250 is the weekly profit target. So you must reach at least $250 in a week. So drawdown limits is now. They don't have any drawdown limit for this. Funded account term, 5% profit target, and drawdown limit is 1,000. Drawdown increase 1,000, which is negative 1,000. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys here. So these are the rules, funded account rules. Initial capital is 100, capital increase by 100,000, and the profit split 20%. Okay, so because it's a free account, the profit split is very, very, very low when you look at it. Okay, it's going to give you only 20% of the profit. Leverage is 1:1. Why choose Funded Okay, you have to come and do your own research about these ones right here. So to get the account, how do you go about it? So we just scroll and come here. Let's look at the free account. So here is it. Click on start free account. Here it will take you to download the Google Play app. Okay, from the Google Play Store. Okay, but I'm using my PC. So when you're using iPhone, then you are not going to be able to claim this. But when you are using Android, you'll be able to download the app and do the registration in order to claim this. I love you guys, or if you want more of this or you're interested in more of this, just subscribe to the channel for more updates. Remember, every video I do is about updates, and the information is publicly available on the internet. You can also go and do research on them. It's very, very simple like that. See you guys in my next update. Goodbye.